intricacies of this insidious attack, explore the tools hackers employ, and equip you with the knowledge and resources to safeguard your privacy. ARP spoofing, also known as ARP poisoning, is a type of cyber attack that exploits the address resolution protocol, a fundamental communication process used in computer networks. To understand how ARP spoofing works, it's helpful to first grasp the basic function of ARP. In essence, ARP acts as a translator between network addresses, converting a device's logical IP address like a street address into its physical MAC address like a unique fingerprint. When a device wants to communicate with another device on the network, it sends out an ARP request asking, "Who has this IP address? Tell me your MAC address." The device with the corresponding IP address responds with its MAC address, allowing the communication to proceed. ARP spoofing hijacks this process by sending out fake ARP replies, essentially impersonating other devices on the network. By linking their own MAC address to the IP address of a legitimate device, hackers can trick other devices into sending data to them, instead of the intended recipient. This man-in-the-middle position allows the attacker to intercept all network traffic flowing between the two devices, including phone calls, text messages, and other sensitive data. Because ARP operates at a low level of the network stack, victims are often unaware that their communications are being monitored. To fully grasp the threat of ARP spoofing to your phone calls, let's break down the attack process step by step. First, the hacker infiltrates the network. The attacker gains access to the same network as their target, which could be a public Wi-Fi network, a compromised router, or even a company's internal network. Next, the hacker broadcasts spoofed ARP messages to devices on the network, linking their own MAC address to the IP address of the target device, like your smartphone or the router. Unaware of the deception, other devices on the network update their ARP tables with the false information, now associating the hacker's MAC address with the target's IP address. Consequently, any data intended for the target is mistakenly sent to the hacker instead. The attacker can now intercept and monitor all network traffic flowing between the target device and the router, including VoIP calls, which are transmitted as data packets over the network. To avoid raising suspicion, the hacker typically forwards the intercepted data to the intended recipient after capturing a copy for themselves. This allows the communication to proceed seemingly uninterrupted, while the victim remains oblivious to the breach. By exploiting this vulnerability in the ARP protocol, hackers can effectively turn your phone calls into open microphones, capturing your conversations and potentially gaining access to a treasure trove of sensitive information. Carrying out an ARP spoofing attack might seem like a complex endeavor, but the reality is that readily available tools have made it surprisingly simple for even novice hackers to intercept your calls. These tools automate the process of crafting and sending spoofed ARP packets, requiring minimal technical expertise to execute an effective attack. Here are a few examples of popular ARP spoofing tools used by hackers. Ettercap is a versatile and widely used network security tool that allows for ARP spoofing, traffic sniffing, and various other attacks. Ettercap offers a user-friendly interface and can be used on multiple operating systems, making it a popular choice for both ethical hackers and malicious actors. Cain and Abel is another powerful and versatile tool primarily used for password recovery and network sniffing. Cain and Abel can also be used to perform ARP spoofing attacks, allowing hackers to intercept and analyze network traffic including phone calls. ARP Spoof is a command line tool specifically designed for ARP spoofing. ARP Spoof is part of the DSNIF package and is known for its simplicity and effectiveness in carrying out ARP poisoning attacks. These are just a few examples of the many tools available to hackers for conducting ARP spoofing attacks. The availability and ease of use of these tools highlight the importance of understanding this threat and taking appropriate steps to protect your devices and data. Section 5, Real-World Mayhem ARP Spoofing in Action. The threat of ARP spoofing is not just theoretical, it's a real-world danger that has impacted individuals, businesses, and even governments. Here are a few examples of high-profile ARP spoofing incidents that demonstrate the potential consequences of this attack. The Great Firewall Bypass. In 2012, security researchers revealed a sophisticated attack that leveraged ARP spoofing to bypass China's Great Firewall, a massive censorship system that restricts internet access within the country. The attack highlighted the potential of ARP spoofing to circumvent even the most robust security measures. Corporate espionage. In 2017, a multinational corporation discovered that a competitor had used ARP spoofing to infiltrate their network and steal sensitive business data, including financial records, product designs, and client information. This incident resulted in significant financial losses and reputational damage for the victimized company. Targeted surveillance reports have emerged of authoritarian regimes using ARP spoofing to spy on journalists, activists, and political opponents. By intercepting phone calls and internet traffic, these governments can silence dissent and maintain control over their citizens. These examples demonstrate the wide range of applications for ARP spoofing and the devastating impact it can have on individuals, businesses, and even national security. As our reliance on interconnected devices grows, so too does the potential for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities like ARP spoofing for their own gain. Section 6. Shielding your calls. Practical tips to thwart ARP spoofing. While the prospect of hackers eavesdropping on your phone calls is certainly alarming, there are practical steps you can take to mitigate the risk of ARP spoofing and protect your privacy. Use strong, unique passwords. A strong first line of defense is to secure your home or office network with a strong, unique password for your router. This makes it more difficult for hackers to gain unauthorized access to your network and launch ARP spoofing attacks. Avoid using default passwords, which are easily guessable. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, are often unsecured and vulnerable to ARP spoofing attacks. Avoid accessing sensitive information such as online banking or making important phone calls while connected to public Wi-Fi. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN or virtual private network to encrypt your internet traffic. Keep your software updated. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities, including those that could be exploited for ARP spoofing. Make sure to keep your operating system, router firmware, and other software up to date to minimize your attack surface. Enable MAC address filtering. Some routers allow you to enable MAC address filtering, which restricts network access to devices with specific MAC addresses. While this can be a cumbersome solution for larger networks, it can be an effective way to prevent unauthorized devices from connecting to your home network. Section 7. Staying ahead of the curve. Advanced ARP spoofing countermeasures. For individuals and organizations dealing with highly sensitive information or operating in high-risk environments, implementing more advanced ARP spoofing countermeasures may be necessary to provide a higher level of protection. These measures can be more complex to implement, but offer robust defense against even sophisticated ARP spoofing attempts. Intrusion Detection and Prevention Systems, or IDPS. IDPS solutions can be deployed on your network to monitor for suspicious activity, including ARP spoofing attempts. These systems can detect and block malicious ARP packets in real time, preventing attackers from intercepting your communications. ARP spoofing detection software. Specialized software is available that focuses specifically on detecting and preventing ARP spoofing attacks. These tools continuously monitor your network for suspicious ARP activity and alert you to potential threats. Static ARP entries. For critical devices on your network, you can configure static ARP entries that map IP addresses to MAC addresses manually. This prevents attackers from poisoning the ARP cache for these devices, as the static entries override any dynamically learned information. Network segmentation. Dividing your network into smaller, isolated segments can limit the impact of an ARP spoofing attack. If an attacker gains access to one segment, they will only be able to intercept traffic within that segment, limiting the potential damage. By implementing a combination of these basic and advanced countermeasures, you can significantly strengthen your defenses against ARP spoofing and protect your privacy in an increasingly interconnected world. Subscribe, like, and share. Stay vigilant and stay safe online.